Okay, this is what your document should look like when done. I put a gray background and some junk text down here. You don't have to do that. Your background can be whatever color you want it to be. You don't have to put text here if you don't want to. And we've got the buttons here. You can see a thin red outline around them. The button gets a little bit bigger when I pause the mouse over it, and the background of the button turns navy blue. We've got shadows around the buttons. We've got very thin shadows around the text. You can't see it when it's navy, but you can see it when it is white on an orange background. So these are all buttons. They don't need to go anywhere. They just go to # or example.com. And I'm going to do a refresh here to show you what this is supposed to do. So this is all set in a box that is 960 pixels wide. And that box is centered on the page left to right. So I'm going to do a refresh here, and we've got a little bit of animation going on with this logo right here. So let's do a refresh. And that animation starts somewhere over here. I actually had mine start a little bit off the edge of the screen, and it comes rolling on at half the size, goes to its full size by the time it gets here. This position is approximate, so it just needs to look approximately like this. Make sure it gets to the left of the buttons here and leaves a little bit of space in between. And it takes 4 seconds for it to move from here all the way over to here. When you do this the first time, due to problems with loading the content, the blue background may not necessarily be here. If you refresh it after you've loaded it once, you shouldn't have a problem because the blue background should be cached. So that's what your document should look like when you're done.